Check this blue chalk sticks out. It's one of my favorite ground covers. Blue color, drought tolerant, low maintenance, stays low to the ground. Doesn't grow more than, a foot. You can see here it's surrounding agaves. Got white jasmine in the front here. It's a plant that does really well in sun or shade. Gets these white flowers that attract tons of pollinators, and it does really well in the summer, even though a lot of other succulents will essentially boil themselves. These little white flowers here are what attracts all the pollinators. Flies, bees, a little bit of everything. And then I love how it forms this carpet like that, You can see, let me zoom out a bit. Forms this nice carpet. And you can see it's pairing here with the white jasmine, so it could be a great companion plant. Won't kill other plants, and you don't have to worry about that. There's a blue glow agave right there. It does really well with anything that's green, like these ferox aloes or trees, or anything like that, like the agave Guadalajara over there, or alba. Let me know what's some of your favorite ground covers in the comments. Have a good one.